Hello everybody, welcome to MS Craftshop. I want to show you the new products from the craft.o.clock that I recently received. Today, time for the last collection called Vintage Beauty. The Vintage Beauty collection is a real treat for those who like the old style. Additionally, the pink highlights make it very delicate and romantic. Every time you look at the paper, you find something new. So, all vintage style fans, be ready for a massive dose of dust and rust. The collection offers 3 sets of papers in different sizes: 15 and 25 cm by 15 and 25 cm, 20 and 3 cm by 20 and 3 cm, and 30.5 cm by 30.5 cm. All the sheets in the set have exactly the same design. The only difference between the sets is the extras available on the other sides of the covers. The smallest and the middle set of paper includes 24 double-sided papers. To be more precise, 6 designs with 4 double-sided sheets per design. The largest set includes 6 double-sided papers, 12 designs in total. While the smallest paper is perfect for card making, larger papers will be excellent for albums, journals, and bigger projects. This extra set is fantastic for albums and journals. There are pockets, envelopes, tags and cards which will be very useful in making a photo album or junk journal. This extra set includes 12 double-sided pages, 6 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. The Vintage Beauty collection also offers extras to cut. Here you can find all the necessary graphics without which any vintage projects would not exist: scissors, old sewing machines, gramophones, threads and clocks. Like the previously presented set, this one also includes 12 double-sided pages, 6 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. I hope you like all the new collections from Craft.o.clock that I have presented recently. I wish you happy crafting and see you in the next video.